Welcome to Home of Math. Question 4 about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing polynomials. So question, where is 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 we already published earlier video. Please check this one from description box. Now look, here is x cube minus x square plus 3x minus 3 divide x minus 1. Which of the following is the quotient of the expression shown above? So here is some option. Which is the right one? We will check by divide like this: x cube minus x square plus 3x minus 3. So this one and this one we will divide. So first we have to comparison between x cube or first term and this one. So here is x minus 1. So at least if we want to make similar, we need x square, because x square and x, it will become x cube, and x square minus 1, it will become minus x square. So it will, once we subtract this one and this one, it will become plus. So this one out. Okay, so this one 0. Now this one 3x minus 3. So first we have to meet this one. So we need plus 3. So 3 times x, it will become 3x. 3 times 1, it will become 3, and sign is minus, plus and minus, it will become minus. So here is 0. So our answer is x square plus 3. So which one? This one is number B, x square plus 3. Okay, done. Now next one. Here is some important thing we have to understand. Look, here is 14x square plus 9x minus 20 divide ax minus 1 equals to 7x plus 8 plus minus 12 divide ax minus 1. This one we can write like this: 14x square plus 9x minus 20. Here is division sign, so we can write in here ax minus 1 equals to, here is 7x. We can make LCM here, ax minus 1. So here is 7x, we can write 7x times ax minus 1, then plus 8 times ax minus 1, then plus and minus, it will become minus 12. Okay, now we can multiply both sides by ax minus 1. So once we multiply this one here, ax minus 1 and ax minus 1, so this one and this one, this one and this one out. So here is, we can write 14x square plus 9x minus 20 equals to, here is 7 times ax square, right? Then minus 7x plus 8ax minus 8 and minus 12. Okay, now look, here is 14x square plus 9x minus 20, and here is 7ax square, and we can take common what? We can take common x, right? So it will become what? Once we take common x, so it will become plus, here is 8a minus 7, and here is x, and minus 8 and minus 12, it will become 20. Now look, here is minus 20 and here is plus 20. Once we exchange this part to that part, it will out. So here is 14x square plus 9x equals to 7ax square plus 8a times 7, right? Now look, here x square and x square, the coefficient will be equal. So we can write like this: the coefficient of x square terms have to what? Have to be equal. So we get here is 14 equals to what? 7a. So once we divide both sides by 7, it will become 2 equals to a. So here we get a equals to 2. Another thing, look, here is plus 9x and here should be x, and here is 8a minus 7x. So we can write the coefficient of x terms have to be equal. So we can write here is 9 and here is 8a minus 7. 9 equals to 8a minus 7 because the coefficient will be equal. Now this one we can write 9 plus minus 7 will become plus 7 equals to 8a. So here is 9 plus 7 will be 16 equals to 8a. So a equals to, once we divide both sides by 8, a equals to 2. Now look, here is once coefficient x square, the ultimate result will be a equals to 2, and similar once coefficient is x, once we find out the value of a, this one also same, a equals to 2. So number 5, a equals to 2. Okay, and number 6 we will try to finish next. If 6x square minus 5x plus 4 divide minus 3x plus 1 equals to minus 2x plus 1 plus a divided minus 3x plus 1, what is the value of a? So first we segregate this one. So here is 6x square minus 5x plus 4 divide minus 3x plus 1 equals to, here we can make LCM. LCM is minus 3x plus 1. So here is minus 2x times minus 3x plus 1, then plus 1, it will be minus 3x plus 1, and then plus a, right? So we can multiply both sides by minus 3x plus 1. So we will get 6x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to, look, minus and minus it will become plus. So here is 6x square, then minus 2x, then minus 3x plus 1 plus a, and we can write multiply both sides by what? Minus 3x plus 1. Okay, now look, here is 6x square minus 5x plus 4, and here is 6x square. Similar, here is also minus 5x plus 1 plus a. So we can transfer this 6x square and minus 5x. So 6x square minus 6x square minus 5x, and it will become plus 5x. And look, here is plus 4, and this one we also can transfer, so it will become minus a equals to, we can keep just a. So look, here is 6x square plus minus 6 square out, minus 5x plus 5x out, plus 4 and minus 1, it will become 3a. So our answer is a equals to 3. So thank you very much who are being with me. It's very important math for SAT and IGCSE math practice. So no more today. Next video we will discuss any other kinds of things which is very important for SAT or IGCSE examination. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.